Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video I show you how to use the mouse mode set view center of the Imalytics Preclinical software. And you can find it here on the left side of the software in the mouse mode toolbar. It's called set view center or to jump somewhere. And this mode centers the view on a selected point, so it's resetting the viewing center symbolized by this red crosshair. You can find it in the 2D slice views here, or also in the 3D rendering here. And it's especially useful when you want to center on a specific structure, for example an organ, a tumor, a metastasis, or a specific region of interest. So let's jump for example to the heart. So it works in all 2D slice views and also in the 3D rendering. And you just have to click on a point where you want to go. For example, also the thyroid. When I click here on the thyroid, you see that also automatically the 2D slice views are centered on this point. Or the kidney, for example, same result. And this mouse mode makes it easy to quickly navigate around your dataset and find the right slice for your analysis. Because it's an important mouse mode, we also established a shortcut. So for example, when you have another mouse mode activated, like the slice view, you can use the set view center by using CTRL and Left Mouse Button. So now I'm using CTRL and Left Mouse Button and I can jump around. And what you see here, it's worth to mention, when you click on a black, like on an empty voxel like this, let me go back here, it doesn't work. So you really have to click on a defined voxel, for example on the segmentation or on the underlay. This is also important to mention. So we also have some specific buttons implemented. The first one is go to center. When I click here, the view centers on the center of the image of your sample. Next one is go to, and here you can enter some defined values. For example, I will use 90, 40, and 385. And then we jump to the thyroid, for example. And I think that's all about this mouse mode. If you have specific questions, you can also open the white paper or just watch this video again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.